So I can't find any videos on YouTube on mounting these 10-inch asphalt pull-offs onto these 15-inch aero wheels. So you get your tire and just have Dawn dish soap and a little bit of water, just a little bit of lubricant. And then since this is a 3-off wheel, you gotta look for where this big blocky piece is on the wheel, because on the 2-off, that blocky piece is up here. So you'll have to flip the wheel over, but instead this side you keep the outside facing up. We put this on, grab a little Harbor Freight tire thing. I stand inside of it and grab a little bit of a bite. Then I screw it over and I go to the right side. You just slowly work your way around. You grab some big bites at first to get the wheel started, or the tire started. You don't want to grab too big of a bite or you'll bend your wheel, the lip of it. These are brand new, I definitely don't want to do that. Then once you get the back piece on, make sure it's all good. I like to have the valve stem facing towards me, pull the wheel towards you. Kind of put your knees on it. You might have to work this towards you like this. Then keep weight on it and go back from left to right. And every time you get a bite, push it in a little bit. Which I know I'm not the fastest at it, but I ain't been doing it that long either. I recently had a sponsor drop off who used to do my wheels and tires for me, so I figured out I'd learn how to do it on my own. But after that, you get a little piece right here, stick the other end, just flop it in like that. Oh, get your soapy water spray, or whatever I do with it right here. Get a little bit more. Well, you continue to keep on in it up. Right now it's probably about 40 psi, but the easiest way to tell is like where the H's are. Now they're similar, but if you look at the R's, they're totally different, and the backside hasn't. The backside is already set, but you just continue to air them up into the big pops. That's why I like grabbing these locking ones right here, because some of them will pop at like 30 psi, and some of them you have to air them up to like 130. So it's just kind of skeptical.